Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change your guild in Lords Mobile. It's a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, launch the Lords Mobile app on your smartphone. Once you are in the game, head over to the guild menu by tapping on this guild icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, in order to change your guild, you will need to leave your current one. So here you can see the Manage Guild option, tap on it. Now select Leave Guild option. You will see the Leave Guild option, tap on it. Again tap on Confirm. Now you have left your old guild successfully. Now tap on Confirm. It's time to find a new guild. Here you can see Join a Guild option at the top, tap on it. Now in the search bar, you can search for a specific guild by their names, or you can choose from the list given below. Once you find a guild you like, tap on it to view more details. You should look for a guild that suits your playstyle and has active members. If everything looks good, tap on this Join button, or you might see Apply button as well. So tap on Join, and there you go. I've successfully joined a new guild. So that is how you can change guild in Lords Mobile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.